Spring is finally here, and what better way to celebrate than by refreshing your small apartment with the effortless beauty of Scandinavian design. Imagine stepping into a space that feels light, airy, and inviting, where soft pastel accents meet natural textures and every corner whispers simplicity and warmth. In today's video, we're diving into the heart of Scandinavian spring decor with easy-to-follow tips to bring a fresh, stylish, and cozy atmosphere to your home. Whether you're looking to revamp your entire apartment or just add subtle seasonal touches, this video has something special for you. Stay with me until the end for the ultimate design trick that makes your space feel instantly brighter and more spacious. And if you love home decor ideas, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and drop a comment below with your favorite spring styling tip. Scandinavian design is celebrated for its clean lines, simplicity, and deep connection to nature, and when spring arrives, this style transforms into something even more refreshing. The core of Scandinavian spring decor lies in creating an airy, light-filled space with a palette that embraces soft, natural tones. While traditional Scandinavian interiors often feature a mix of whites, grays, and muted neutrals, spring invites a gentle shift toward warmer hues. Think pale sage, dusty pink, soft ivory, and warm sand. These colors add a touch of seasonal vibrancy without overpowering the serene aesthetic. One easy way to introduce this shift is by swapping out heavy winter textiles for lighter fabrics, like linen or organic cotton in pastel shades, instantly making the space feel fresher. Bringing in natural elements is another hallmark of Scandinavian spring decor. Wooden surfaces, especially light-toned woods like oak, birch, or pine, help ground the space while maintaining an organic feel. Pair these with woven textures, like rattan chairs or seagrass rugs, to add warmth and depth. To enhance the seasonal transition, incorporate botanical elements in subtle ways, such as floral printed cushions, delicate ceramic vases, or artwork featuring natural motifs. The goal is to create a home that feels like a breath of fresh spring air, open, welcoming, and effortlessly stylish. By embracing a minimalist yet warm aesthetic, you can achieve a Scandinavian-inspired space that celebrates the new season in a subtle yet stunning way. In this easy step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through simple, yet impactful changes that bring the fresh, minimal, and cozy essence of Scandinavian spring decor into your home. Step 1. Set the foundation with a light and neutral palette. Start with soft, neutral colors like warm whites, gentle beiges, and pale pastels. These shades reflect natural light, making your apartment feel brighter and more spacious. To add warmth, choose textured wallpapers, whitewashed wood panels, or matte painted walls that embrace the organic simplicity of Scandinavian style. Step 2. Choose minimalist and functional furniture. Opt for sleek wooden furniture with clean lines and natural finishes. A compact, light wood dining table, a linen-upholstered sofa, and floating wooden shelves create an uncluttered yet inviting look. Stick to multifunctional pieces, like a storage ottoman or a foldable desk, to maximize space without sacrificing style. Step 3. Layer in cozy and airy textures. Scandinavian spring decor thrives on soft, breathable fabrics. Layer your space with light linen curtains, plush wool throws, and cotton rugs in earthy hues. Incorporate woven rattan, wicker, or jute elements to add warmth and natural texture, keeping the space feeling fresh and organic. Step 4. Let in natural light and fresh air. Maximize daylight by keeping windows unobstructed and using sheer curtains. Place mirrors strategically to reflect light and open up the space. A soft glowing nature-inspired pendant lamp, or minimalist, table lamp enhances the ambiance during the evenings. Step 5. Add greenery and spring accents. Bring the outdoors inside with lush green plants like eucalyptus, snake plants, or potted herbs. Complement them with simple floral arrangements in handmade ceramic vases. Small touches of botanical-themed wall art and lightwood picture frames will tie everything together for a fresh, spring-ready aesthetic. In a small apartment, every piece of furniture should be chosen with care to maximize both function and aesthetic appeal. Scandinavian furniture is designed with these principles in mind: simple yet sophisticated, lightweight yet sturdy, and always practical. To create an open, airy feel, opt for furniture with slim legs and clean lines, as bulky pieces can overwhelm a smaller space. Materials like light-toned wood, rattan, and metal are ideal choices for maintaining a fresh, natural atmosphere. Consider investing in a Scandinavian-style sofa with a neutral fabric finish, soft beige, off-white, or light gray, complemented by throw pillows in spring-inspired hues. If your apartment lacks space for a large dining area, go for a compact, round table with minimalist chairs that can easily be tucked away when not in use. One of the best ways to enhance functionality is by incorporating multi-purpose furniture. A sleek wooden bench with hidden storage, a nesting coffee table set, or a bed frame with built-in drawers can help keep your space organized without sacrificing style. Another great tip: choose furniture with matte or semi-gloss finishes, as they reflect light more effectively, making the room appear larger. If you want to add a hint of springtime charm, introduce a pastel accent chair or a woven poof in soft, earthy tones. These small yet thoughtful additions can elevate the entire space, blending Scandinavian minimalism with the lively energy of spring. Accessories play a crucial role in adding warmth and personality to a space, and in Scandinavian spring decor, the key is to keep things simple yet meaningful. Begin by layering textiles to create a cozy yet breathable atmosphere. Swap out thick, woolen blankets for lightweight cotton or linen throws in neutral or pastel shades. Opt for cushion covers with subtle botanical prints or textured embroidery to introduce visual interest without overwhelming the minimalist aesthetic. A well-chosen area rug, such as a jute or woven wool rug, can define different areas within a small apartment while adding an organic touch. When it comes to decorative accents, less is always more. Select a few statement pieces that evoke a sense of spring, such as ceramic vases with delicate wildflowers, wooden trays with scented candles, or sculptural objects made from natural stone or clay. A simple glass pitcher filled with citrus fruits can double as both a decorative and functional element. To maintain balance, arrange accessories in groups of 3 for a visually pleasing composition. And don't forget about wall art, a minimalist. Line drawing, an abstract watercolor painting, or framed botanical prints can bring a sense of harmony and sophistication to the space without cluttering the walls. Lighting is one of the most important aspects of Scandinavian design, and maximizing natural light is essential for achieving that signature bright and airy atmosphere. If your apartment has large windows, embrace them fully. Keep window treatments, light and sheer to allow sunlight to flood the space while maintaining a sense of privacy. White or off-white curtains made of breathable fabrics like linen or voile are perfect for diffusing natural light without making the room feel too exposed. If your space lacks abundant natural light, strategically placing mirrors can work wonders. Position a large mirror across from a window to reflect sunlight and create the illusion of a larger, brighter space. Another great trick is to choose furniture and decor that enhance light distribution. Opt for white or lightly tinted walls, glossy surfaces, and glass elements, such as a coffee table with a clear glass top or acrylic chairs that visually disappear, making the room feel more open. Light-colored wooden flooring or a neutral-toned rug can also help reflect light rather than absorbing it. If you want to elevate the ambiance in the evening, incorporate warm, soft lighting with paper lanterns, pendant lights, or LED strips placed along shelves. This will create a cozy glow while maintaining the light and airy feel of Scandinavian spring design. Spring is all about renewal, and nothing brings that sense of freshness into your home quite like greenery. Scandinavian interiors naturally embrace a strong connection to nature, making plants an essential element of the design. If you're new to incorporating greenery, start with low-maintenance plants such as snake plants, pothos, or peace lilies, which thrive indoors and require minimal care. Place them in simple ceramic or woven baskets to blend seamlessly with the organic textures in your space. For a more visually striking look, opt for a fiddle leaf fig or a tall rubber plant placed in a neutral-toned pot. These work as statement pieces while keeping the aesthetic clean and uncluttered. If space is limited, vertical gardens or wall-mounted planters can be excellent solutions. Hanging planters near windows or open shelving can add greenery without taking up valuable floor space. Another effortless way to introduce nature is through small botanical accents. Place a glass vase with eucalyptus sprigs on your bedside table, or set up a mini herb garden on your kitchen windowsill for both beauty and functionality. Natural elements don't have to be limited to plants. Woven rattan baskets, wooden trays, and stone-textured vases also bring an earthy quality that aligns perfectly with Scandinavian spring decor. By thoughtfully incorporating these organic touches, you'll create a home that feels fresh, balanced, and deeply connected to nature. By blending Scandinavian simplicity with the vibrancy of spring, your apartment can transform into a peaceful retreat that feels fresh, open, and full of life. From airy textiles and pastel accents to multifunctional furniture and natural light, each element works together to create a harmonious and uplifting atmosphere. Remember, it's all about balance, embracing minimalism while letting in the warmth and joy of the new season. I hope today's video gave you the inspiration you need to refresh your space. Let me know in the comments which tip you'll be trying first. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home decor ideas that bring harmony into every corner of your life. See you in the next one.